now it's time to know about our school. I would like to request our academic director, Srimati Bhavya Reddy Garu, to present school journey. Please, ma'am.
Namaste, Adham, and a very good evening to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected correspondent ma'am, esteemed principal sir, dynamic co-directors, talented teachers, energetic students, and my dear parents. Wishing you all a very happy new year. May this new year be filled with positivity, happiness, good health, and prosperity. Today I'm here in front of you to announce the school journey. S&P International School blossomed in the year 2002 and bloomed in the form of creative golden bud students. S&P Sri Manik Prabhu International School completed its journey of 22 years in the field of education from 2002 to 2023. We have fixed a good number of cornerstones on our way, which can be witnessed in the Alumni Achievers Board. Every year, our chairperson, Shri P. Prabhakar Reddy Garu, and high school students offer the tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Bapu Ghat on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, and 12th February as Bapu Smriti, Immersion of Holy Ashes Day. Our student P. Abhishek Pathak of class 9 has participated in the inter-school competition held in September 2003 at Dravidapura and won cash prize of rupees 5,000 and a Kolkata trip of 2 persons. SMP. S for success, M for motivation, and P for promotion, which is a watchword to all good education-seeking parents to join with us. From 2005, our students are participating in inter-school competitions conducted by Rajendra Nagar Mandal Association and bagged many prizes in the field. The competitions were different like mono action, singing, fancy dress, essay writing, quiz, etc. was declared as the champion of Rajendra Nagar Mandal, and we have shown that we will win and always win. In 2007, our student, that's me, P. Bhavya Reddy of class 10, I was also from the same school, so happy and proud to say that, and I was declared as a special celebrity children's quota for her essay work and by Chitturi Foundation, Hyderabad. N.Nisi, who was my fellow classmate of class 10, won second prize in Rangareddy district level essay writing competition in English. Shruti Lahade, Srujanasri, Ramakant secured first and second prizes in essay writing competition conducted by Rangareddy District Olympic Association. One more remarkable memory is our student T. Niharika scored 572 marks and stood as Mandal topper in the year 2010-11. She is the one who won the first prize among the students in International Children's Film Festival. We are proud to say that she also got a medical seat at Osmania University. Many of our students are well settled in different professions like doctors, engineers, navy officers, police, and which can again be witnessed in the board of alumni which is displayed outside. I feel proud to say that P. Nagarjuna, our ex-student, has been selected for Merchant Navy by qualifying different level of examinations like online exams, psychometric, personal interview, medical fitness exam, and common entrance exam. Our school also gave a dance performance at International Children's Festival. We also perform dance performance every year at Police Commissionerate grounds on national festivals. Our student performed national festivals in the Police Commissionerate here in Gachibowli. Our school is deemed with ethics and value education, utilizing approach of critical thinking and psychology to students in order to strengthen their schools. Allotment of homeworks is based on the creative skills by which student can do it in a practical and experiential way. In 2012, CS Jyotika of class 9 participated in debate in biodiversity program in which 192 countries has participated. Every year, our students are participating in All India Essay Writing Competition conducted by Sri Ramachandra Mission United Nations Formation Center for India and Bhutan and bagged platinum medals by CS Jyotika of class 9 in 2012 and Sai Likita of class 9 in 2016. Our students visited CMC Bala Yoga Stadium at Gachibowli to watch the first Afro-Asian Games held in the month of November 2003. As an honor, our students also presented scented fragrance to Indian national badminton player PV Sindhu in year 2016. Our students also participated drawing and essay writing competition conducted by the Ministry of Water Resources. In 2016, N. Asmita Reddy won the prize in elocution competition. P. Kavya won first prize in drawing competition on account of Police Commemoration Day. As we are surviving in the competitive world, to sharpen the minds of students, we make the children to participate in various Olympiads like Abdul Kalam Olympiad, Telangana Olympiad, Unified Council, Srinivasa Ramanujan Maths Olympiad, Sir C.V. Raman Science Olympiad, Twist Talent Search Examination, the Kids Guru, National Science Talent Search Examination, Inter-School Competitions and Inter-School Proficiency Competitions, Indian Talent Olympiad and SEMS Olympiad. We have abacus classes which make students learn maths easily. We also conduct craft and lab practical exams. In the year 2016, Mohammad Taha was declared state topper in Cyber Olympiad organized by Unified Olympiad. In 2017, A. Saranya of class 7th has secured state second prize in Srinivasa Ramanujan Maths Olympiad. Our students also participated in Pro Kabaddi Leagues, Bicep Football Tournament, District Level Cricket Tournament, District Level Tennis and State Level competitions. With the Cleanliness Drive program announced by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and keeping the vision, our school has taken up the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in promoting cleanliness, Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Daur. Our school won the Inter-School Recycling Championship conducted by WOW team, well being out of waste by GHMC, in which our student B. Sai Srinivas of grade 10th have won the first prize and bagged the trophy. SMP also celebrates Telangana Prapancha Mahasabalu in 2017 to propagate our mother language. Since last 3 years, we are participating in Bhagavad Gita Slokam recitation and V. Harini of class 10th has won the first prize and selected and state level, and N. Shivajyoti G. Rohan won prize. And this has been conducted by Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Not only as an organization, but also as a family, SMP family celebrates all the religious festivals with great enthusiasm. As every day has its importance, we also create awareness among the students. Under such regard, SMP celebrates Yoga Day, Kargil Divas, Women's Day, Hindi Jagjeevan Ramarao Garu, APJ Abdul Kalam, etc. Every month we have parent-teacher interaction wherein parents can directly speak to the teacher regarding the performance. During this period, we conduct awareness programs in the school like avoid plastic, traffic education, organic farming, nutritious food, which promotes the message to everyone. Our students participated in rally spreading awareness regarding Save Power with the help of placards and banners which was organized by TV5. Kudos to the teachers and students for adapting the online classes during pandemic, and dear parents, we would like to thank you also for the COVID-19 pandemic, and for your support was appreciable. Despite initial challenges, the resilience shown by schools in online resources allowed students to continue learning and uncertainties. Our school organized various celebrations and competitions such as quiz, essay writing and fancy dress competition adapting to the challenges posed by the pandemic period. We participated in inaugural program of Lead India 2020 at LB Stadium, Dream of Missile Man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Garu, who is known as our Tataya, it's SMP's Tataya. We are following the vision and thoughts of him in making our children blossom as usual, like Aap Bado, Desh Ko Badao. We have participated in the Kalam Convention held in 2022 to honor the memory of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and we had the privilege of meeting and interacting the esteemed personality such as former President Shri Venkaiah Naidu and Governor Srimati Tamilisai Soundarya Rajan during the event. The Pre-Kids Sports Day celebration in 2022 marked the vibrant school journey, uniting parents in anticipation of their children's activities. The laughter and the colorful decorations created a festive atmosphere, setting a positive tone of the events. Our school 10th students participated in PM's Pariksha Ki Charcha, reflected dedication, fosters academic growth and gives inspirational path to success. We feel proud to announce the topper of SSC, M. Arun, who scored 10 points in the board exams. I would like a round of applause from the parents. The school journey is remembering our alumni students and the present students. So parents, please concentrate and listen what we are letting you know. The first position in the year 2022 and 23 from CBSE, Rahul has scored good grades, points in the board exams in the year 2022 and 23. RJ Sunita from Radio City 91.1 graced our school during the Raksha Bandhan event in August 2022. She organized various competitions. In 2022, the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav for a month, engaging in the students like rallies, quizzes and others. We celebrated the whole month as a Freedom Month. Our school actively participated in Swachhata Ki Daur, cleanliness drive rally organized by Jagir Municipal Corporation under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. SMP International School organized a national tour to Delhi, Agra, Amritsar and Wagah border. In the field of sports, B. Harini of 6th grade secured national Joseph Manikumar, Zonal First Prize. K. Vivan Vamshi, Zonal First Rank. Ishan Khatri, Zonal Second Rank. D. Mahimita, Zonal First Rank. We are happy and for achieving the prestigious Golden School Award in the Indian Talent Olympiad at national level for the academic 2022 and 23. This recognition reflects the school commitment at the excellent skills and dedication. I myself, P. Bhavya Reddy, Academic Director from SMP International School, has attended the G20 Summit which was held in Gachibowli. It was a proud moment for SMP family to meet the CBSE board directors from Delhi. Our school children displayed commendable excellence in PM Modi's Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Aur program, actively contributing to cleanliness initiatives. We dedicate to teach the important and instill civic responsibility for our students. Our school children experiential live performance at Telangana Dance Cup 2023 and was one of the victorious moment for our school, wherein our student skillful dance routines earned them to well-deserved state level second prize to their talent and dedication. That was not a joke because our children participated on the spot for 7 minutes and won national second prize in dance competition. In a thrilling display of skill and determination, our students showcased their volleyball at Sports for All event, securing second prize in the category of volleyball under 16 boys in the Twin Cities and earning well-deserved appreciation. Our school hosted a success meet to celebrate the success launch of Chandrayaan 3. That's a noteworthy event which you can see in the dance further. We assure that our students will blossom with the quality education that is provided in our school, which help them to explore great endeavors in the competitive world. We are organizing monthly CCA competition as a part of skill enhancement program is an excellent way to foster a competitive spirit among students. Our school has a safety club to ensure safe and secure environment for the students. Our school well-equipped laboratories, libraries, playground and infrastructure to ensure the quality